YouTube, what it is? Your boy KemeyonTV back here with another video. Out here at the range. You see where we at? See where we at? You see what we got on us too? We clear for all you haters. Oh, I missed.
You suck.
You suck, you suck, you suck, you suck, you suck, you suck.
The boy has no skills. Embarrassing. Embarrassing. We're gonna do that one more time.
I stand on business.
That sound about right. That sound about right. I know a lot of y'all hate this gun. I know a lot of y'all really don't like it. You see what it is. I know you don't like it, but I love it. My budget gun. Adjust my rear sights, but they ain't off by too much. I'm trying to tell y'all, boy, ain't nothing really wrong with this Taurus now. Don't be sleep on it. Come on now, don't even be acting like that. Look, we got the crimson trace on there too with the tape. Whoo! Well, I wonder if I could aim like that and hit it through the camera. All right, we finna do some reload drills. We're gonna do draw, rack, 2, reload, 2. All right. Empty. You got the dagger, full size. We're not using the red dot today. We're using these night sights. Ooh, you see that baddie on the back. Yeah, full size, compact slide. All right, let's get it. Baby be doing her thing. All right, let's see if we could aim through the camera. Yeah, this is gonna be harder than it looks. Oh! Not easy, bro. Ha! Last shot. Alright, we finna do some transitions. We finna transition from the steel to the cardboard. Let's see what it's like. Let's see what it's like. Mark those shots. to load up to keep shooting. Got to load up to keep shooting.
Not bad, not bad.
All right, I'm got some new bullets and I'm testing out. Come on, focus camera. Ooh, y'all see that thing in the middle though? Oh my gosh. Yes, you would not want to get hit by these. 135 grain. Whew. Lord. So what we're gonna do now? About to shoot them. Make sure they run well with the gun. But see the target right there? I'm finna go all the way behind the car to see if I can nail it. So come on, we finna make this little adventure together. Hold on, wait. Look how beautiful it is out here. It's beautiful. I'm finna see if I get these through real quick. Y'all see how far this target is. I don't know if I'm gonna hit it. We gonna try though. We gonna try though. Here. Yes, yes, you see that? Oh boy. Hydra shock deep. Do not want to get hit by those. Three, boy. I ain't the best fucking shooter, but I get the job done. I get the job done. Hey, that's a little distance too, though. Hold on. Let's that was a pretty nice little distance too for some iron sights too.